Alright, but we be about the mobile daily update. So make also baswa or subscribe to channel and feel like video and share na forward interest bra comment section in the bejebre na ye di ho dwuma de ama. Na sisi ameka say die. Nti ya mensa kan ene say military men bi na chese yensa so omumu a omukura ballot paper say or bags ma obi anim ba bi omode ko. And time a omuhu omo no so no na enya omo nkwa na enam. Na omo ni mpanyufo bi nenam. Nti we na nkrofo bu sa say day na checkpoint mo military men mutimi quick ballot papers. Omo bu sa say military men nyamo na mo de ballot papers day ko constituencies no. Nti ye day na ballot papers omo. Nti ebusafo sisi ameka say dey omudin akopie mpanyufo honum. Na omudin na akopie honum no NDC expect senka EC Jin Mensa bitimi de nkrofo ya ne nsa so omumi edi aba abontin bo ma hwe ni mu a nkrofo ya ya che omo a yesi omakowia ballot papers EC ntimi for omudin bai ena je se ebusafo nya asem keto NDC for bofu ye pa omo de EC se EC mfa nkrofo edi mba abontin no mu hu ade a sa nkrofo nipa kra wo chire nti omo ye sa ade no nti we na military for issue statement omo che se abato na baso no 7 December Saturday day ni mia oko polling station bia onkohu military personnel bia wo hono oko a ida se police for ba akumienu bi ne gineja ho ba so hu so bi hye soja atade pa na so gina police station a onye soja ni intino ntempa mo fa fon na monye dey mo report nipa kro no se ni mbetima yire no kra ni monye ne sa because omo ma ho kwan se soja ni bia ebeko police station until say basabasa ebiasi ama police ni ayede afre ama military for aba enye sa ade a hu so bi ehye military atade police station a bamcho onye soja ni abusafo kamoni enti nche mo efiri nsem mo buy ne bad obi aso de beto am so
region. The chairperson of the EC says you are all consulted, the details were disclosed to you. Are there any reasons to be worried?
Well, as Ghanaian right-thinking people, you have every reason to be worried with the attitude of this electoral commission. This electoral commission is trying every means to shortchange Ghanaians. But you see, they are dealing with a group that will not take excuses lightly. Although we reluctantly accepted the recall of the ballot, but we knew all along that this electoral commission, they are up to something else. They are up to something else. From the beginning of this process in January up to now, everything they do, if we hadn't put our eagle eye on it, they were going to shortchange Ghanaians and elect an illegal president for us. Simply is what happened yesterday. This checkpoint, in fact, if readers are following our issues with that area, severally we will talk about the security lapse breaches, about the way they handle issues over there. The checkpoint. Recently, if you check my boss' Facebook wall, he wrote something about some movement of some military guys in the night, and they followed up and they finally ended up at checkpoint. They'll be moving around those areas. We followed it. If you check his write-up, we raise issues about this behavior of checkpoints. Little did we know that these things, some people were smuggling out ballot papers just to go and then have the same quality, and then they want to get the effigies on it and go ahead and print illegal ballot. That's what they were trying to do. When she announced that one defeat, that's propaganda statement she was making. What is defeat? Just say it as it is. They've stolen ballot papers. They've stolen, but just say it as it is. They've arrested them. Bring them publicly. Announce it and let people know those who are in possession of those ballot papers. And the law will deal with them. You are hiding and so you're doing propaganda.
Look, explain to us exactly what, because we have been told, it seems, were you told the same thing, that a single defaced ballot paper was taken out?
I'm saying that is a propaganda statement she just made. One defaced. So one defaced ballot paper. If the defaced ballot paper is taken out, does it occasion that you should go and recall all ballot papers? That is not the case. Look, let me tell you. If somebody pick a defaced ballot paper and go and do it, what is the person going to do? To print illegal ballot papers and come and find a way of putting it into the ballot box, or go and print staff ballot boxes and come and snatch the original ones and swap it with their illegal one. That is the reason the person will be doing this. Okay. In any case, those doing the printing, they don't know that the soft copy of what they have used to generate the plates are with them. These days, how many minutes will I forward a soft copy of a design to you? The era of technology, with a click of button on my phone, I forward it to you. What are they talking about? As if we are living in some Stone Age era. We know all these things. We are saying that these people, they don't want to go down with a fight. And they are just fighting every corner, using every mechanism to rig this election. They don't want any free and fair election. This crooked NPP plus their collaborators of electoral commission. That's what they are doing. Is it the first time we are doing election in Ghana, printing ballot? When we talk, these people are highly incompetent. Ghanaians think that we are always attacking them. Check from January up to now. They've not done anything right. They've not gotten anything correct. Everything they are doing is messed up. And so we are monitoring. As of yesterday, they called, our agents were already there for the reprint of the ballot paper. And so they started. We are monitoring. They say they will change the serial numbers, everything. You see, why are they changing all the serial numbers?
But look, is that not better for you if, like Kesi?
I'm saying that I'm just giving the parameters that look. When they say one deface, just ignore it. It's a propaganda statement.
Oh, okay.
This is a propaganda statement. We know that, look, our eagle eye will follow everything through. And we are assuring them, even those keeping those illegal ballots or other things, they should try and bring it closer to any ballot box. Or think that they can come and swap the ballot box or snatch ballot boxes.
So what you suggest?
We will have a fresh democracy again.
What you're suggesting is that ballot papers were stolen.
Of course, what do you expect? Didn't you see what happened at the Kufridwa area? You saw the videos. One of the ballot box, the bats carrying the ballot papers, one of the seals got broken. Anything was broken. But the governor said what? That the content was intact. Which content was intact? If somebody removed one ballot paper from it, how do you describe as the content being intact? There are a lot of funny stuff they are hiding. They don't want the general public to know. But we are watching them.
And you're sure that no matter what happens, if people have stolen one ballot paper to look at the details and print replicas, you'll still be able to detect all those?
Oh yes, we are very confident of detecting all that, taking the effigies and then the serial numbers and all that. We are very careful about it, and we have trained our agents and observers to take critical look at the ballot during sorting and counting. We've taken note of that, and we condone. That's why we will condone each polling station to be sure that one man, one ballot. If you see anybody standing in the screen for more than 1 minute, the person is going to upload other ballots. We won't accept it. We are going to take note of it. And anybody who dare, even if you think that the best shooter at Chelsea jungle training, they were better shooters than you, who are on retirement. Try it. Let them try that nonsense this time. Coming to snatch ballot box. We will all go down. This time we are not going to allow anybody to shortchange Ghanaians. Let the will of the people reign. That is what we are coming out for. And I'm happy with the statement issued by the military, saying that no military man is going to come near any polling station. The statement is out there, signed by the agriculture. No military man is coming near any polling station. So Ghanaians, if you see anybody who come there, styling himself as a national security or with a military, these are mercenaries. Chase them away. These are mercenaries who are coming to steal your mandate, who are coming to attack the democracy of Ghana. Fight them back. The Constitution allows that. Defend the Constitution.
I see. But, the ballot papers that have they been recalled already? Have you seen the ones that were sent to the Eastern and Western region?
Yeah, we are still waiting. They will bring them back. So we are waiting for a recall. We have all the details of them. So when they bring it back, we'll check again to be sure that the content, everything intact before they are bent.
Well, what do you expect the EC to do this time around to ensure that what happened the last time does not? Okay, again.
That's what I'm saying, that the checkpoint, it has a lot of CCTV cameras. They should go and view the CCTV cameras. They know the national security who gave them the report and said they have arrested people with this thing. They should give them details of those people. Why are they hiding it? They should bring their name up publicly. Let people know those who are attacking our democracy. Because those doing that, they are attacking the very fiber of our democracy. We should not allow to put it on the carpet. They come and do propaganda on this press conference.
So what you expected from the EC is to have put out, is to be truthful and honest.
That is it. They should be truthful. Tell Ghanaians the truth. This is what happened. We have caught them. We caught them with ballot papers. We'll congratulate you. In fact, my boss even congratulated them, saying yes, for the first time they've come out with information. We also have the issue of the DVD mission and they were hiding and all that. Yes, so if you are coming, come with the full information. Let us know. Just say it as it is. They've stolen ballot papers. And we know them. We know the names. We know the people who have been moving, look, soldiers in the night from Burma camp. And we know it. We have the pictures of those cars. Movement of those cars to a location where they will offload them to some V8, and the V8 they will move. When they trace them, or they will end up at checkpoints. We've been tracing. We have all these details. We have it. So we are not surprised that when they are talking of stolen ballot papers, it's from checkpoint. We know this, but we're monitoring to see how they will offload those stolen things, how they are going to use them. That's what we're now prepared for them. We are prepared, in fact, actually prepared for those two regions to see those ballot papers, how they are going to offload them and put them into the ballot boxes. If they hadn't recorded this, in fact, we are prepared for them. As if they were the only people who were trained, or they were the only people who had blood running through their veins.
Well, Doc, thank you very much for speaking to us this morning.
I'm grateful.
Yeah. Dr. Rashid Tanko is Deputy Director, Elections and IT of the National Democratic Congress, now indicating to us that what they were told and what we are being told are two different things. That they actually caught people with ballot papers, and the EC should have told the Ghanaian populace that people were caught with ballot papers and not be telling us that a single defaced ballot was found, was taken out of the printing houses. Well, in the meantime, he also references that statement from the military. Ghana Armed Forces issued Brigadier General A. Agrikwashi, who has been Director General Public Relations for some time now. Good morning to you, Brigadier General. It's been interesting watching him rise through the ranks with his name, and every statement there's a different rank. Well, good morning, sir. And the statement is headed, "No military personnel will be stationed at any polling station." Ghana Armed Forces, and it reads, the Ghana Armed Forces wishes to inform the public of its role in ensuring the peaceful conduct of the upcoming 2024 presidential and parliamentary elections. As part of our ongoing commitment to maintaining national security and peace during this critical democratic exercise, Ghana Armed Forces wishes to reiterate that no military personnel will be stationed at any polling station. Ghana Armed Forces presence will be limited to standby support, with the primary responsibility for election security remaining with the Ghana Police Service. The military will only be deployed upon the request by the Ghana Police Service. This collaborative approach ensures that the elections proceed smoothly and peacefully while maintaining law and order. In the spirit of transparency and to prevent any misunderstanding, we encourage the public to report any military personnel, individual identifying themselves as Ghana Armed Forces personnel, I have somebody to report, or any individual wearing military patterned attire, accoutrements found at any polling station to the nearest polling station, or call the following Ghana Police Service toll-free number 18555 or 0800 311 311. This will ensure that appropriate action is taken against such individuals or groups in order to maintain security as well as the integrity of the election process. Ghana Forces wishes to encourage all Ghanaians to exercise their civic rights responsibly, cooperate with security personnel, and refrain from any acts that could disrupt the peace. Ghana Forces reiterates its commitment to safeguarding the stability and sovereignty of the nation while protecting the integrity of the election process. That's coming from the Director General, Public Relations, Brigadier General E. Agriculture. Thank you. Good morning to you this morning. Did you see the people that we've been reporting since 2020, the one who went to shoot at the Chiman South? You didn't see them, man. Blekuma Central, among others. You didn't see the ones who were wearing the uniform. So are you going to act differently from how you've acted on the Techiman South matter? And how do we guarantee what you are saying about the Ghana Police Service making an order that Dominic Nitiwo will not go and order military men to move from one place to another, like he did in Parliament? When the people walked into Parliament and went into the Chamber of Parliament, you knowing the history of the military in our politics, when they did that, what did you do? What did you do? How do we trust your word now? Okay, no. Hey, see, I'm bringing you back. Brigadier General, how do we trust your word now? How do we trust you? How do we trust that politicians will not be the one issuing deployment orders to the military on the day, like they've done? What do they call it? Then 2020 elections.